Good morning, everyone. Hello, sir, and my friends. I'm Sharat Chandra from ECE Department Section C. My topic is my topic is that face detection and sending notifications. Face detection a it is a new technology where we can, if anyone use our mobile or PC, it detects a wrong person. If anyone use other than me, it detects and send notification to them mail or with a normal SMS. Coming to the topic, firstly, nowadays Python has become one of the most popular languages as well as favorite programming language among developers. Thus, the simplified syntax and pattern of the language make the presence of the language in the trending list. Means nowadays Python is a more popular as we know. It is a very simple language to learn, and nowadays it is useful for technology in many ways, medical and remaining so many fields. The biggest strength of the Python is a huge collection of standard library which can be used for the following: machine learning, GUI applications like Kiwi, etc. Web frameworks like Django used by YouTube, Instagram, Dropbox. Image processing like OpenCV, Pillow. Web scraping like Scrappy, Beautiful Circles, Selenium. Test frameworks, multimedia, scientific computing, text processing, and many more, etc. For machine learning and AI, Python language is the first priority for the developers because pre-built libraries of Python like NumPy, Pandas, PyBrain, and SciPy help expanding AI developing. Yes, nowadays we are using Python in only not in this way. Very many softwares we are using Python for for different purposes like hacking, for developing programs, for softwares, and etc. Nowadays, everyone know Python language. In this article, a simple method is implemented using Python. how to dec- how to detect human face, and after detecting, sends notification to the user. If face is not recognized, it does not send notification to the owner. Means if I example it is if it is my mobile, if I will use, it will not send the notification. If another person, wrong person, tries to open my mobile or any PC, computer, any etc tabs etc, then it detects their face. If it does not recognize my face, it send to the notification to the user. OpenCV. OpenCV is a huge open source library for computer vision, machine learning, and image processing. OpenCV supports a wide variety of programs like Python, C++, Java, etc. It can be processed image and videos to identify objects, faces, or even the handwriting of a woman. Means OpenCV it library, open source library. Means if it is a it is a key role it plays in detecting the face. Mm, when it is integrated with various libraries such as NumPy, which is a highly optimized library for numerical operation, then the number of weapons increases in your arsenal. That is, whatever operation one can do in NumPy can be combined with OpenCV. The OpenCV tutorial will help you to learn the image processing for basic to advanced, like operations of image, videos, using a huge set of OpenCV programs and projects. Means it is a it is a type of tool or any some type of software we can think. It is a tool. It is in the Python. What our topic is that Python detecting the face and sending notification. Means sending notifications to the user. The main key role is that detecting the image, oh, the person. That key role it plays OpenCV. it detect our image processing from video image, it detects and send to the user. OpenSea is, it is Cinch. Cinch. Cinch is used to send message to the user whenever the camera will detect any face. The user will have to make an account on Cinch. Then he or she can get the service plan ID and token from them. After which the user can input the latter in the code. The sender and recipient number also need to be changed accordingly. Cinch is nothing but a website where if after detecting the face, it, it will send the notification to the user. Nothing but Cinch is a, it is a type of website. There we have to, first of all we have to create an account with service plan ID. Then we have to input our details, mobile numbers, name, etc. with some another, it will ask, and there it will send the message to us. When we type Cinch on Google, first we will see a website called Cinch. After we opened, we'll see like interface like this. These are the images which I took from the website. First of all, we are the New Year's user, so that we have to sign up. First of all, we are the new user, so that we have to sign up for the first time. The interface will appear like this. So we have to, at the top of the green box will have there we have to uh, sign up there with our details. Then click on message and next. After sign up, there we'll get a text box, messages and conversation, voice, video and verification, rich messaging, extranet, cooked foods. We have to select the first option, message and the conversation. Thereafter we'll see the interface like SMS, WhatsApp, conversation, etc. The that are the messages where the message should be sent to when we recognize a wrong person. We have to select SMS, our wish. If you need, you can select WhatsApp also. After selecting SMS, same like this interface, same to same it will be uh, seen at the website. We have to select. They have to select the thereafter taking thereafter you start some sessions. You have to select Indian account should be selected. India. Thereafter, so from you, what are the plan ID, so etc etc. No, we have to select. The message box is we can see down. There we have to type something. Your your phone is stolen by someone, or else your phone is detecting someone, and whatever you want to send, tell the message, send it by the scenes we have to create there. Thereafter select Python. These are the code which are implemented in the Cinch. These are the OpenCV program to detect the face. These are the code which has been implemented in the Python. This is a Python code which has implemented to recognize the face ID. Created. Say like 6 some etc etc. And these are total Python IDs. Detects face difference in the input. We can see it is shown in the slides. This total are the these are the total Python code only. See, we can see on the slides, can read. This all are the Python code. After this, the after we created in the Cinch, we output will be the detecting the image, detecting image. If example is the wrong person who has opened your phone, then the Python code, the Cinch will detect your face. If it is matches, nothing will message sent to your nothing message will be sended. If the wrong person will be seen, if the wrong person will be seen, the message will be sended. Is the wrong person who has opened the PC, so that the Cinch will detect the image like this. Now the message will be sent to the SMS like this format. This text is from your Cinch account. This is a text message from your Cinch account. Someone is at the door. Someone is the where I said that the same message he has written here. Message we can see. This is some text message from your Cinch account. There you have to type your what is the message you have to get the from the from them. There you will get the mm, same message you will get them. You can write different also. The same message you will get the here. Thank you for listening this my presentation. Thank you, sir. Friends and some etc. Like this also we can see, we can do them many different things like this. Same can see the Python code which has written here. Oh, Python code. Same. This is the topic: Python face detection and sending notification by Sharath. These are the slides. These are the slides. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Like the same as uh, it is a it is a code where we can detect our face and settings. So some twins will be there. Then we can see same face will be there. We cannot detect it. Some similar faces like twins. Some will be there. Then we have to say like same. We can do. Sorry, sir. Same like that. We can detect a face like some eyes will be different in the eyelashes, and there we can use our OpenCV coding, and we can do that by by eye, like OpenCV like there we can, here it is there like it down here, like operators on images videos using a set of OpenCV. Then we can, yeah, we can detect. Then we can use the OpenCV coding technology, and we can implement the code, and we can do after face detecting. If it is does not match, then there we have to for next step alternate method or two-step verification. We can think two-step verification, like OTP, like two-step verification. By OpenCV we can test our eye. There when our eye matches, it will be sended automatically. Some by OpenCV or different methods, we can two-step verification is a process where if we send face with the example we carry, if example if you if we try in laptop, where if after after face recognition detection, if after face detection it matches, then it will be send the notification in the form of OTP to our mail or messages. After we type in the system or PC, then only the 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 system will be opened. It is known as two-step verification, or else what we think. That's all. More examples. What I should say. Ah, yeah. Wait a minute. Hmm. But two-step where after if you matches our some twins will be there where the ones I'll say for if twins will be there, their faces will be similar. In that condition, that then OpenSea will try to say, try to see the eyes where the eyes matches. There will be the already it is implemented in the iPhones, Samsung mobiles in mobile where I unlock will be there. That's why. Oh, yeah, or also OTP system will be there. More more two-step verification and etc. Some fingerprints also. Fingerprint we can't use OpenCV. It is a use process. It is it is it is also Python programming only, but it is another technology. So, mm, first of all, if you see here face detection will be not matches, then it will second process. It will see that eyes like this. It will it try to match eyes. It try to match us like this. Now, if it matches, it is okay, or else send notification.